If you've been to my channel before, you know that I believe that I am a long-term investor and that I have a vision of the future, and the future is always going to be better than what it is today, and I want to invest in it. But I also have a team, a tribe of people, and in that tribe, I have a team of people who advise me, who try to influence me in a positive direction. And right now, they're saying get out of investing in stocks and get into investing in bonds. I've never bought a bond in my life. I don't know how to do it, and I'm not really inclined to take 4% on my money, but they're saying now is the time to step back and take a look. So this afternoon, I'm going to sit down with them, and we're going to do a Zoom video, and they're going to explain in detail why they think they're right and what I should do. I'm going to share that with you tomorrow. But first of all, let's determine this is not financial advice. This is Kerry getting educated. I'll tell you more about it right after this.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
Every Friday afternoon at 1 p.m., I have a Zoom call with my advisory board, and that consists of Drew, who runs the Discord, Mark, who is the one who teaches our swing trading and communicates on the Discord on a daily basis about trading, and then Trent, and Trent is a retired financial advisor. Between Mark and Trent, they have close to 60 years in the financial business. Mark is a baby boomer. Trent is a Generation X, and Drew is a millennial. So we have a good representation, and I'm just whatever comes before the baby boomers by about 2 years. So I think we have a good mix of minds relative to the stock market. Mark and Trent are saying this is worse than we think it is, that the far-reaching effects of the banking crisis is just coming to the surface, and now is the time to get on the sidelines and hold cash, and rather than hold cash, go into some short-term bonds or some short-term treasuries. And I basically said, I don't know how to do that. I've never done it in my life, and I need some education. And then I said, why don't we share this education with our viewers so that they can make a better investment decision? And so that's what we're going to do. This afternoon, I'll shoot probably a 20-minute video, and then I'm going to share it with you tomorrow morning before the market opens. And maybe it'll give you some insight as to what's going on and how you should be reacting to it. I'm inclined to say if they convince me, I'll probably be liquidating some things and then going into the treasuries. But let's see what they have to say, and let's add this to our Best of Us Investors. Let's make better investment decisions. I want you to just recognize this channel is not just me. I believe that investing should be a team sport. I believe you should build a team of people who are better at things than you are, and that's what I'm going to do here. So tune in tomorrow morning. It'll go up at 7 a.m., and maybe it'll give you some guidance. And if it works out right, this might become a regular feature of Best of Us Investors. So I'm working for you. Going to take my Sunday afternoon and see if we can't enlighten Kerry and the same token, enlighten his tribe. Talk to you again Monday morning.